Hi, I'm Dr. Lavanga, and today we are performing an arthrodesis, a single lateral arthrodesis for a spinal stenosis L4, L5 Skidas D. This is one of the best procedures that I can perform for my patients and has many advantages, such as the preservation of time of intervention. Using fluoroscopy, we are checking the spinal canal and also the disc height. Please, fai lo scatto. Also, with my friend Faisal, we are describing these procedures also for Arabian native patients. Scatto. And this, as you see live on YouTube, you can see the height that is going to be preserved. Scatto. These procedures are also suitable for patients that has many comorbidities because the time, scatto, it's really little. Stop. Vai.
تحاول استعادة الفراغ ما بين الفقرات بين الرابعة والخامسة من أجل وضع الكيج في مكانه.
Okay, and that, as you can see, now we are broaching for 10 millimeters disc height, scatto. And you can see that we are restoring the disc height. When we finish this procedure, we will place the intersomatic cage.
هو يحاول أن يكيف الكيج والفراغ، خلق الفراغ المناسب من أجل استقبال الكيج اللي حتكون ما بين الفقرات.
As you can see on the X-ray, the intersomatic cage has 3 markers, and the median marker is correctly aligned on the spinal processes. And then on the lateral side, you can see the restoration of the height of the disc. And also for the spinal and for the foramen, you can have a good restoration without direct compression. And this is one of the points from a scientific point of view that the indirect decompression is the gold standard in 2025. Thank you very much. Now we are contouring the rods. This is a personal contouring for the patient because we have restored the height of the disc and also we are preserving the lordosis using this kind of rods. Stop. Now we are inserting the rod inside the tulip. This is a mini invasive tulip. And then we are placing the caps to fix in a definitive way. Okay? Vieni dentro. Scatto. Okay? Now the rod is going to be placed. Scatto. Okay. We are placing the second cap. Fai un po' di arancio negativo, un po' di arancio appena così. Basta. Dammi il nerone. And then you are now listening to the definitive sound of the fixing. Scatto. Okay, now we are placing the second rod. And the work is done. Thank you for watching.